Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can download and install Filmora 12 on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you that Filmora 12 is the latest version of Wondershare Filmora video editing tool. Now to download and install the updated version of Filmora, simply follow this guide. For that, simply open your browser and search for Filmora 12 and open the link from filmora.wondershare.com. Don't worry about the download link, I'll put the download link in the description box. So here we have our latest version of Wondershare Filmora video editing tool. In this version, you will find many advanced features that will help you to edit your video. Also, this feature include AI tool that will going to enhance your video editing experience. To download, you can simply click on this free download option or else you can click on this download button. Once the download has been completed, simply open this installer file. So here we have our Filmora installation window. Let me minimize the browser. Here you can select your installation folder. To change the installation folder, simply click on this file icon. Then select the folder where you want to install Wondershare Filmora. Then click on install button. After that, it will download all the required files. Wait for the download process to complete. After the download has been completed, it will automatically install the Wondershare 12 on your Windows 11. Once the installation has been completed, simply click on Start button. And it will start environment testing. Here we have our Wondershare Filmora 12. Now to activate the software, simply click on this login option and log in with your Wondershare Filmora account. If you get activate device limit error, then simply click on login on this device. After that, you are ready to use the updated version of Filmora. So that's it. This is how you can download and install Wondershare Filmora 12 on Windows 11. If you want a detailed video on how you can use the software, then let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely make a video on how you can use Wondershare Filmora 12 video editing software on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.